Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of the Farmer's Farm. So basically this video is going to be about the progress that I've made with my protected growing area. As I said before, it is not totally protected, but I have my 48% mesh, and I have my UV greenhouse plastic. So at least I am getting that greenhouse effect, right? For my plants. So I've just gone ahead and just put the plants. I relocated them. So I just virtually put them down on the pallets. So as you can see, I'm using pallets on the floor. However, there's a big thump there, so I cannot put any pallet there. So I'm just going to leave that section as is. And as you can see, this area is where I'll be doing my seedlings, right? Right, this is where I'll be doing my seedlings, starting my seeds and my cuttings, right? So it is just I'm just happy that I've finally established somewhere to basically do some growing, right? And you know, it's a good start, and I'm just happy that it's really a protected area, especially where ultraviolet radiation is concerned, right? So you know, as I said, these are pallets, and this is a very efficient and convenient way to use the pallets, right? Otherwise these pallets would have, you know, been dumped. So I just find creative ways of really using them. So as you can see, this is the ground. Over here is where I'll be doing like the growth area, right? So you know, I'm just extremely happy that I have an area to do my seedlings and and growing out the plants, right? I'm going to put a door here, but at the moment I'm just pulling away the mesh, right, and coming through. So you know, everything is just randomly placed, right? Everything is just randomly placed, and you know, I can now begin to start producing a lot more, and I'll be taking you along that journey, because most of my videos will be, you know, demonstrations and so on. So I'll be doing most of them inside this area, right? So thank you again for viewing, and I'll see you. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I have a lot of stuff to put out there. So click that bell icon, and you know, be sure to get all the updates and new videos that I'll be publishing. Thank you again for viewing, and I'll see you in some other episodes of the Farmer's Farm.